Good morning, children. Beta, today we are going to do a new topic, that is addition and subtraction of decimal. Students, this chapter you will not get in your maths book, but it is there in your syllabus. Okay, so I have prepared few notes that you can copy down in your notebooks, and this is very easy. So the name of this chapter is addition and subtraction of decimal fraction. Okay, now we'll start with the addition of decimal fraction. How to add decimal numbers. Okay, so here beta, they have simple addition is there, 0.5 plus 0.4. So simple addition is there. So 5 plus 4, 9, decimal, 0 plus 0, 0. 12.53, 13.83. Okay, 3 plus 3, 6, 8 plus 5, 13, 3. Carry over 1 here. So decimal, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 1, 2. Simple addition. 77.57 plus 22.22. 7 plus 2, 9, 5 plus 2, 7. Decimal, 7 plus 2, 9, 7 plus 2, 9. So this is the simple addition question that you know how to do. Okay. So now look at the next one. Question number 2. Arrange and subtract. So now this you have to be very careful how to arrange the decimal numbers and then after that add. So here most of the students, they made mistake here. So the question is 141.75. Okay. So first of all we will write here 141.75. So the next is 2141.325. So when you write the second number, the first thing that you have to remember that you have to arrange the decimal first. Okay, so we will arrange the decimal first. Then here after the decimal we have 3, 2, 5. After the decimal 3, 2, 5. So we will write the number after the decimal, that is 3, then 2, then it is 5. Then we will just look at the numbers which we have written before the decimal, that is 1. That is, now we will write 1, then we have 4, we will write 4, we have 1 again, we have 1, then we will write 2. So this is the second number. Now look at the third one. Again we will arrange the decimal first. So we will arrange the decimal. Now write 2, 5. Then after that we have 2, 5, and before it we have 4. Then we will write 4 and then 1. Now you can add it. Here we don't have any number here. You can put 0, that is your wish, or without 0 also you can add. So after that you can add. Look at the next one. Here first number, second number, third number. The first number 383.55. Then for the next again arrange the decimal first. So we will put the decimal, then after decimal 808. 808. Then before the decimal we have 0. Look at the next number. Arrange the decimal first. Then after that we have 7 and 3. Then before that we have 5 and then we have 4. Now just add it. If you want to write 0 here, you can put 0. Otherwise you can write it, add it like this. Look at the next question. That is 4.5 plus 0.75 plus 1.675. Arrange. Look at the first number 4.5. Okay. Then add. Arrange the decimal first, then after decimal we have 7, then 5. Then before decimal we have only 0. Look at the next number. Arrange the decimal, then write 6, 7, 5. Before the decimal we have only 1. Then add it. Look at the next question also. The same method we will follow. Write the first number. For the second number, arrange the decimal. Write the number like digits which is after decimal, that is 7. Before the decimal we have 8, then 3, then 2. Then again decimal, then after decimal we have 3, then before 5, 6, 1. Then add it. Clear? Now subtraction of decimal. Beta, the way you have done the addition, the same method you will follow for the subtraction. Only this is a subtraction question. Simple subtraction is there. Okay. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 4, 3. So here 5 is smaller. Borrow from here. 3. 15 minus 9, 6. Now we have 3 here. 3 is also smaller than 4. We will borrow 1 from here. That is 13 minus 4, 9. Now we have 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Now 4 is less than 7. We will borrow from here. 14 minus 7, 7. Here we have left 1. 1 minus 1 0, this is 1. So like this way you will do the subtraction. Now again here find the difference. Find the difference. So first of all we will arrange, then we will find out the difference. Difference means we have to subtract. So 21.45 minus, again for the next number we will arrange the decimal first. Put the decimal, the right 7 7, then before the decimal we have 5, then we have 1. Then after that you can subtract it. Okay. The next question 17.02 minus, arrange the decimal first. Okay. Then 99, before decimal we have 8. Okay. After the decimal we have 9 and then 9. Before the decimal we have 8. Before the decimal we will write 8, then subtract it. Next 235.855 minus, then arrange the decimal first. Okay. Decimal. Now 912. Before the decimal we have 5, we will write 5, then we will write 2, then subtract it. Like this we will do the subtraction. Okay. So now the third question is better find the value. Here they have given the question, okay, where addition and subtraction we have all together. So here the first of all that is 7.24 plus 6.36. So here we have two methods. Okay. 7.24, then we will add 6.36. You know how to arrange the number. Now you will add it. Now this is the addition we have got. This is the sum we have got. Now out of this sum we will subtract this one. Now 13.60 minus 1.48. Okay, this is your final answer. Clear? The second method, again 7.24 plus 6.36. We will add it. The answer is 13.60. Out of 13.60 minus 1.48. Answer will be 12.12. Third part is 9.54 minus 1.28. Here 9.54 minus 1.28. This is your subtraction. When you subtract these two numbers, this is your difference. So out of this difference we will add this number. Now 8.26 we will write here, then we will add 7.09 with in this number. So answer is 15.35. The second method I have already explained here. 9.54 minus 1.28. Okay, this is your difference. Now out of this difference we will add in this difference we will add 7.09 and this is your answer. Answer will be same. You can choose any method. Clear? The third question is also here we have subtraction and subtraction. Now 46.37 minus 21.74. When you subtract it, this is your answer. Okay. So out of this difference we will subtract this one 1.71. This is your final answer. Now students, in the next question we will just do the problem sums related to decimal. Clear? Addition and subtraction sum related to decimal. Thank you very much.